Alright, what's going on, guys? And we just got back from the Tail of the Dragon, but we got some parts on order that finally came in for the Kawasaki SXR 1500. This is the first item that actually had broke on this ski. We've had 3 or 4 years of just solid perfection. The only thing we've done to the ski is just oil changes in terms of maintenance. But we did have the bushings start to get a little bit of play. So we swapped out the bushings, and we had the throttle trigger adapter fail. So you can see here it's in a bunch of pieces. So that failed and prevented us from being able to ski, or wouldn't be a good idea to ski. So we got a new throttle cable adapter, and this is the part number here. And we went ahead and decided to switch to the U.M.I racing angled finger throttle. We have that on the 2R1 Superjet and on Dad's 701 Superjet, and now we've got it on the Kawasaki. And you can see that the new adapter is brass, which is better than the aluminum because brass is stronger, so that's nice. And here is the bushings, the new bushings. We went with the Blowsion ones because they're Delrin, where the stock ones are factory, or where the factory ones are plastic. Delrin tends to last a lot longer, won't wear out as quick. So we did that also on the 701 Superjets, and they've been awesome. So here's the part number for the Blowsion Handlepole bushings. But wanted to touch on, and the whole reason for this video is to share the tip on how to replace the bushings on the Kawasaki SXR. So for this ski, the design is kind of weird. There is a trick to it. So, here's the bolt that goes through the handle pole. If you try to just remove this nut and pull the bolt, you can see here, that's what we tried to do, and we scratched up the ski a little bit, but that's not how you do it. Then, after scratching the ski, we went back to the manual and found that you actually have to loosen the handle pole mounting bracket. Will give you enough play and lift up enough that the bolt can slide out from the hull. So you do have to loosen those bolts underneath here, or those nuts underneath here, to actually remove that bolt. So I did want to touch on that because we didn't know that, and we ended up scratching our ski. But also wanted to show, here's the torque specs for doing the bushings that you'll need to know. The handle pole mounting bracket nuts. So that is underneath here that you can't see, that you have to tighten or loosen, that attach the mounting bracket to the hull itself. And those are 15 foot-pounds. And then for the handle pole pivot shaft nut, it is 24.6 foot-pounds. So that's this nut here. I hope it helps save somebody some time. But I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.